Welcome to Episode 8, Tool Use, also called function calling, the leap that turns a chatbot into an agent. The model decides when to call your code, and you decide what to do with the result. A tool is just JSON schema describing a function. Name, description, parameters with types. The model reads the schema and decides whether to call your function based on the user's request. You hand the schema to the API and wait. 4 rules for tool design. Names describe a verb. Descriptions tell the model when to use the tool and when not to. Parameters are typed and minimal. Never let the model guess shape. Returns are structured, never raw strings the model has to parse. The full tool use loop? Send the request with your tools. If the model returns a tool call, execute it locally. Append the result as a tool message. Send the conversation back. The model now has the real data and can answer. Most agents are just this loop, repeated. A model with tools is a different species than one without. Static text becomes a system that acts. Next episode, evals. The skill that separates working prompts from working on my machine prompts. Test them like you test code.